How to use the Fireside Trailer Serata. First, lower the leveling jack to stabilize your trailer. Next, install the flue and remove the door. To start the fire, position 2 logs 5 to 10 inches apart, near the oven's mouth. Insert your preferred fire starter between the 2 logs. Stack smaller wood pieces on top of the base log and then light the paper or fire starter. Allow the oven to heat up for about 30 minutes until it reaches your desired temperature. Different types of pizza require different temperatures. Move the wood to the side to make space for the pizza. Flatten your pizza dough and add your desired toppings. Slide the pizza into the oven. After about 1 minute, use a turning peel to rotate the pizza. Make sure to keep the pie roughly in the same spot to prevent burning the bottom. Using the peel, lift the pizza closer to the dome of the oven to cook the top of the pie. Place your pizza on a tray and serve it to your guests. Enjoy.